So I've got the plate made. What I did is trace it out. I think this is 3/16. Traced it out, cut it out with porta band, and I used flapper disc. Sorry guys, a flapper disc, and just kind of roughed it into its rough shape, right? So now, set you guys back up here. I don't know if we can see the hole. Is that the hole right there? That must be the hole right there. Oh no, there it is over there, where the light's coming from. So I'll take this, I'll put it inside, put the magnet over top of it, and just see how it fits, and then we'll go from there. Sorry about that, boys and girls.
Come in with the knife or razor, cut it, just it. Something like that. Now get some silicone. There we go. This stuff is getting so expensive. What do you think, buddy? Oh, really? Ouch. Ow. Why do you got to bleed them in like that? At least put a side on.
That's good.
You're going to use me like a horse. Yeah, I know. It hurts. That look pretty good? Okay, I'll take the furs and yes.
Okay.
The sound you hear is you're finally getting a good rain. You needed it. This index actually made more so for a boost, but they work great in situations where you want a little bit of hood clearance.
Found a finer tip Sharpie.
Yeah, I just scratched it on the side of the hood. Sorry about that. Whoever the winner is, not bad. Maybe I do. Oh, I think that was broken on the plastic. That might be good. Get that part clear.
So I just redrew it
We've got a problem
on here.
already with the cold system.
I didn't have it really centered in the hole. Not a big deal. We'll just sand more off of that side. So I'm just going to sand it down ever so gently, a little at a time. And then once we've got it sanded down, then we'll try it again. Right, I'll bring it just up to the line. Maybe I'll leave the line showing for sure. And then once we get that done, then we'll test fit it. And then I have to lay out where the hole's going to be, where the rod's going to come through. So let's get that fitted first, and then we'll do the other.
And this is a slippery slope. Now I've got silicone, and this is half, and it goes on, and assemble our
Okay.
coil brackets, get our coils mounted in here. There's still a lot of other stuff.
So I've got it set in
Later on, I'll ponder on the resolution.
a pair of vice grips just so I can handle it. And now we're going to take the SDS grinder with a flapper disc on it. Actually, I think I might, instead of sanding that much off, I think what we'll do first.
Very, very well made. The kit comes with everything.
First,
Covers, gaskets,
plug in that.
couplers, the oil fill cap, and
Alright guys, it's going to be loud for obvious reasons. Put porta band on. Now we'll just rough it in. Otherwise that's a lot of sand. my lock. Okay, so we just took a bunch off of there. This side won't be too bad. So let's set up over here. There we go. I know it's a little jumpy. Sorry.
So this will go on these Motion Raceworks coil drivers. And these will work.
Grinder has its place. Cylinder has its place.
Maybe one or two. But these will hold our MSDs just fine. So let's get this unpackaged.
Sanded it down. I just got to the line. Of course, when you heat it up, it just disappears. That's what happens. So, go back over here. Bounce you guys around. There we go.
We've got fuel rails, we've got some lines to make up, injectors to put out, and all of that. Now we can switch gears and go back to, I think, our pitch can system and all that, and ignition. We're going to finish that up as well. Find some parts, start laying this out. So the old fuel system was just a stock intake, throttle body, fuel rails. The pressure regulator built in right here. And since obviously that's going away, we've got to add one in now. So that'll be this guy right here. We've got a 2-ended return. One will be blocked.
A little welding magnet here.
But essentially, we come from the tank.
So we'll just use that. Put that over the hole.
From the tank through our filters.
And then I can adjust it a little bit.
We come into a rail and cross over in the front. Well, I guess it doesn't really matter which way. And then out the other rail, into the regulator, back to the tank. So we've got to do that as well. We have 2 lines down here. We can try to use what we can there, hopefully. The feed, which I've got to trace and figure out, will hopefully reach and pop right into the rail, and then cross it over to the front, come off on the return. My idea is to mount this somewhere back there-ish, and then we've just got to come across and link in with our return, and that that should be pretty much it for the fuel system. We'll put a gauge in here as well, and we'll have to run that pump and adjust the pressure. And then once we set it, you forget it. Well, whoever built the rig put red zip tie on one.
So it's a little big still. I'm just going to sand one side off a little bit.
Back here. So the guy gets the head of the cylider, and assembling this fuel system. So here's our fuel rails that came with the intake, and then they've got the mounting brackets and hardware here, and then these are the injectors I got from Holly as well. I'm going to go ahead and put new ones in. And I'm going to have to find some fittings. We've got some O-ring fittings that are going to go on the ends of the fuel rails at minimum. We can plop in the injectors and get these bolted into the intake, and then we can start planning all our plumbing. Guys, I'm going to hook his peepers in pretty close here, because these look like, at first glance, they can go either direction. But when you put the bracket in, you have to get the orientation right so the injectors line up correctly. This way, they push them out at an angle. This way, they'd be right over top of each other. So the logo's in. This needs to be the way to go. So I'm going to drop these brackets in, and they get both, depending on injectors at different heights. You get two sizes of brackets for that. I got some motor oil in here from 1947, and I'm just going to, just a little bit on my fingers and rub the O-rings of the injectors before we into the over there. And now it doesn't tear up the O-rings or anything like that. We don't want to hit the key and have fuel just spraying like, my garden hose. Well, my garden hose has 47 slices and 19 pinholes. I just call it a soaker hose guy. It's economical.
Put some reference marks on there just so I know which way I want it to face and where I need to sand it. This unfortunately is the tedious part of this whole operation.
And we'll figure out where to hang the regulator, which is going to go there somewhere. Gotta think ahead once again, because I want to mount the Terminator X up high in the dash. So the regulator might actually end up being a little bit lower, because I don't want hardware coming through. I don't want the hardware's, hitting each other, is what I'm saying. So we gotta kind of play with that. Might have to hold the computer up on the inside, do some of that stuff. Using Earl's fittings and Earl's line, another product you can get right from home. So if you've ever done an AM fitting, these used to intimidate me quite a bit, but they're actually very simple. The downside is they're spinning. But goodness, do they look good? easy to work with, and you can always keep them around and even use them. But you just slide the color onto your line. Think what kind of line you want to use. This is the style I always use. Oh no! This is my shiny. So everyone kind of has their own way to do a end line. I like to terminate one side, put it in place, and then I can, run it however I want to run it.